Hey guys, it's Abby with 3R Sales and Service. We're taking a look at a Ram ProMaster 3500 box truck install that we did recently. This build is outfitted with a 10-gallon hot water pressure washer that can be used as a single gun or two gun, has a Tucker RODI for spot-free window cleaning, and it also has a gas engine soft wash. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look from this angle here real quick. And then we'll also head to the back of the trailer so that you can get a closer look at some of the other equipment as well. All right, now we're at the back of the box truck. You can see the hot water pressure washer on the passenger side and the remainder of those 12-volt electric rewind hose reels on the left. This box truck is an excellent option if you want to do a little bit of everything. So this this build allows you to do commercial cleaning with the hot water pressure washer. This is great for degreasing, getting stubborn stains out, and making your detergents work more effectively, or not even needing detergent. The gas engine soft wash is perfect for roof cleaning, getting farther distances, or the heavier concentrations of chemicals. Your soft wash system is paired with a remote rinse module so that you don't have to walk back to the truck to switch it over into rinse mode. It comes with a proportioner system so that you can precisely meter your chemical, which is your surfactant, your bleach, and then your water. And the pressure washer is paired with a chemical injector bypass for full flow, especially for surface cleaning, and also a downstream manifold so you can select what type of chemical on board or off board with your dip tube you want to pull through your downstream soap injector. It also has a transfer pump to make filling your tanks and removing chemical from your tanks super easy. It's got the 325-gallon buffer tank, so you can either use this as your main source, or if you'd like, you can stay hooked up to your water source, which is generally what we recommend if it's available, and it's constantly filling your tank, and your float valve in there will turn that off when it gets full, and it'll turn it back on whenever it needs more water in the tank, whenever it sees it dropping low. And then for the Tucker system, this offers the spot-free rinse so you can do customers' windows. So with the 3 systems on board here and all the additional accessories, it makes it super easy to offer residential cleaning, commercial cleaning, large properties, anything. If you guys have any questions on this build, feel free to reach out to us and we can go over some more detail, or visit us online at www.3rpressurewashers.com. Thanks.